going back and able to catch the ball to keep it from going to left field.
Reddick out at first, and the throw does not come on. Pujols, it's like he could not get a grip on it. He made a nice play, but it'll be an RBI groundout as Burns comes in to score. So the stolen base is huge, and the A's lead 3-1. Albert touched the bag, and then he was ready to throw home. I don't know that he had a play there.
Now, you know, with Billy Burns going on contact, Albert, a great play to save extra bases, got the bag, but then the ball kind of went up in the webbing of his first baseman's mitt. Notice Albert touched the bag with his right hand, the glove and the ball.